Going to be looking at page 105, which is diagramming adverbs that modify adjectives. So remember, our adverbs are the words that answer like how often, when, how something was done, okay? And our adjectives are going to be modifying nouns. So let's start the way we always start. Let's look at our sentence. We finished our rather difficult lessons. Well, we need to look first for our subject, and we know that we is our subject. Our verb is finished, okay? Now, as soon as I see an active verb, I should be looking for a direct object. We finished what? We finished our lessons, okay? Lessons is our direct object. Now, if we have a direct object, I should also be looking for an indirect object, but in this case, there is no indirect object. Okay, so after I'm done with those basic pieces, now I'm going to be looking for modifiers, adjectives or adverbs. So nothing modifies we. What modifies lessons? Well, there's three words, our, rather, and difficult. Now, only two of those are adjectives. Only two of those are modifying lessons. Our is a limiting adjective. Our lessons, and difficult lessons. Okay, now this other word, rather, is an adverb of degree. It's telling us how hard the lessons were. They were rather difficult. So it is modifying difficult, not lessons. So when we go to diagram, we're going to start the same way. Our subject, our verb, and then extend the line for our direct object, lessons. And then we have our adjectives. Our and difficult modify lessons. Our and difficult. And as we talked about, rather is modifying difficult. So rather should be modifying coming off of difficult. Okay? Next one, the unusually large dog jumped up. Well, let's look for our subject first. Who or what is this sentence about? It is about the dog. And what did the dog do? The dog, verb, jumped. Okay. Now, in front of dog, we see we have 1, 2, 3 words that modify, but only two of those words are adjectives. The dog and large dog. And then we have this adverb of degree, unusually. Unusually is modifying large. Okay, and then we have this word up. Now remember, adverbs can also answer jumped where or jumped how. So this is also an adverb. Okay, so we go to diagram it. We have our subject dog. The dog jumped. Okay, now what words modify dog? The and large. And then we have a word modifying large. Unusually. Okay, and then don't forget, this is why we write them above. What's modifying jumped? Up. Okay. Next one, the new milk tastes especially sour. Well, who or what is the sentence about? It's really about the milk. Milk is our subject. What is our verb? Taste. Now, as soon as you hear the word taste, you should have kind of bells or sirens going off in your brain, because taste, in this case, is not being an action, but it's describing, right? It's describing what it tastes like. It's a linking verb. So it tastes what? Tastes sour. So instead of having a direct object, sour is describing how the milk tastes. It is a predicate adjective. Okay, so when we diagram this, remember we have our subject, milk, tastes, and then the line is not a direct object, so it's going to go this way. Taste what? Taste sour. Okay, now modifiers. The, new. Modify adjectives for milk. The and new. Okay. Sour is being modified by an adverb of degree. How sour was it? It was especially. sour. Okay. Number 4, my oldest sister is an unusually good dancer. Who or what is this sentence about? It is about sister. Okay. Okay. What is my verb? Is. Okay, here we go again. Bells and whistles should be going off when you hear is, because is a verb of to be verb. It is. My sister is, she's being renamed as a dancer. Predicate nominative. So is, what is she? She's a dancer. And notice, because it's a predicate nominative, the line goes this direction. Okay, which words modify sister? My and oldest. Okay. Which words modify dancer? And good. Now, unusually is an adverb of degree modifying good. Okay. Very good. One more. The tall, lanky boy is very hungry. So who or what is the sentence about? It is about boy. What is my verb? My verb is is. Is a linking verb, a state of being. So bells and whistles should be going off because the boy is hungry. It's describing the boy. Predicate adjective. Okay, so let's diagram. Boy is, line goes this way, hungry. Okay, what's describing the boy? What's modifying? A, tall, and lanky. 3 words. A, tall, and lanky. Okay, what is describing hungry? Adverb of degree. Very hungry. And that is working with adverbs of degree.